How to make YouTube thumbnails. Okay, this is Adobe Express. It is free. I don't even think you have to add your credit card in.
Another tower to get going.
You just click right here and it'll load that up. I've already got one going here. But basically it's going to load up and you just click on the YouTube thumbnail out of the category. Right along here. And then you'll get met with this interface. Here are some templates, like this one. Here's one I got working on for demo purposes. Okay, and here is another website. It is called textcraft.net, and it's a custom YouTube thumbnail text. I will add the link in the description. It's great. It has all kinds of different styles, such as this one, and this one. Ooh. And we even got this one. But for this tutorial, we are going to use this one. How to make YouTube thumbnails. As you can see, it comes already cut out. It's pretty good little tool. Okay, and that would be one of the two ways to make them. The other way is through canva.com. These would be more, I guess, the beginner way of making them. The most advanced and best way would be through something like Photoshop, but for just getting started, these two tools offer a lot. They both have the ability to cut out the background on the image. On this tool, it is actually free on Adobe Express. So you can take like this instance, this image, head back over into Adobe Express, and just paste it in there, and then click remove background. And it removes the background. You click right here, and this layers it. So I'll make this one go forward. Maybe something like that. Okay, and that is the Adobe Express version. If you can afford the $10 a month, Canva is a wicked tool. They have some pretty good pre-configured templates for the thumbnail, which I find get pretty good click-through rates. See, yeah, this one is with the pro subscription, but it is only $10 a month. Fortunately, I am out right now. But like this one right here is free, 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 and you can just take it like that and change up the text to suit your needs. killed my whole video. Canva has a lot of graphics in their arsenal. Then you just click download. Yeah, so that is my tutorial on how to make thumbnails on YouTube. Like this video and subscribe for a part 2. I will link everything in the description. Thank you very much, and hope you guys enjoy my first actual video on YouTube.